My name is Mika Adler, and I'm the CEO of Fluent Mobile, and I'd like to tell you about an application we've developed called Fluent News. Fluent News is the first and only iPhone application to aggregate exclusively made-for-mobile content from the most trusted sources for news across the web into a single, easy-to-read mobile newspaper. Fluent News is the most convenient, fastest way to read news on the iPhone. Here's how it works. To get started, tap on the Fluent News icon on the home screen of your iPhone or iPod Touch. There's no accounts to set up and configure and no RSS feeds to manage. You can start reading news immediately. The app launches straight into the top news section, displaying headlines and brief article previews from top news sources. Click on any one of these and you see an article that's formatted specifically for the iPhone. You don't have to play with the text size to read the story. Fluent News only aggregates content that has been specifically optimized for mobile devices. Furthermore, the full article loads instantly within the integrated browser. Fluent News goes to great lengths behind the scenes to fetch the most current content quickly, directly from each news source. A unique aspect of our iPhone application is the way Fluent News organizes articles. Only one article on a particular story is listed in a section. And what this means is that in the news summary, you don't have to comb through 15 articles on the same story. For example, today, there is considerable coverage about GM declaring bankruptcy. That story is only listed once here. On the other hand, if you want to know more about the GM bankruptcy, or read coverage with a different spin, simply tap on the Related Stories button and you get a list of related articles. To read coverage on this story from, say, the New York Times, just tap on the article preview. When you read something you'd like to share with friends, tap on the sharing button in the upper right corner of the article. You can post an article to Facebook, to Twitter, or email the link to a friend. Your friends don't need to have the application or be using an iPhone to read the articles you share. Fluent News is constantly updated, allowing you to stay current on news regardless of where you are. Fluent News also features a full range of sections, including US, business, world, entertainment, sports, and technology. To go directly to a section, say Sports News, just tap on the Sections tab and then click on Sports. For each of the sections, you get coverage by the top news organizations for that specific type of news. So for example, our sports section has coverage from ESPN, Fox Sports, MSNBC Sports, and more. Another nice feature of Fluent News is that it prefetches all of the content across all of the sections, which allows you to keep browsing the news regardless of where you are, even if an internet connection is not available. Fluent News is the fastest, most convenient way to browse news across a broad range of sources, all rolled up into a single iPhone application. Fluent News is available for free from the App Store, which you can access either through iTunes or from your iPhone.